Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust color space settings on a Samsung Smart TV. To do this, first you will need to click on the home button on your remote, then scroll down to the settings, then select all settings. Right here we can find the picture, expert settings, scroll down, and almost at the bottom you can find color space settings. And right here we can change our color space preset to auto, native or custom. If you decide on custom, then you'll be able to adjust all of the settings manually, like a default color, red, green, blue, yellow, cyan or magenta. And then you can adjust red, green and blue hue using the sliders. Of course, you can also reset those settings if you don't like them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.